Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Pixel 7 Pro off and ejecting the SIM so no circuits run. Once done, warm the back around the fingerprint area for about 60–90 seconds to soften adhesive. This prevents cracking. Use a suction cup and a thin plastic pick to create a gap at the bottom edge, gently prying while you reheat if resistance remains. Make sure to work slowly. Ripping the glass risks shattering and damaging internal cables. Steady pressure and heat are your friends here. Once the back is off, you'll see ribbon cables and adhesive. Lift the glass a few millimeters and look for connectors before pulling. Next, remove the shielding screws using T3/T5 drivers, keeping screws organized by location so reassembly is exact. Always disconnect the battery first to avoid shorting components, then carefully unplug the display and fingerprint sensor cables with a plastic spudger. If the fingerprint cable is under adhesive, reheat briefly rather than forcing it. Safety prevents permanent sensor or board damage. You place the replacement screen into the frame, align the connector pads, and snap the display cable into its socket. Then temporarily reconnect the battery to power on and test touch response and fingerprint registration before sealing. Once confirmed, power down, disconnect battery, reinstall shields and screws, and apply fresh adhesive or 3M strips to the back glass. Press evenly for 60–90 seconds to bond. If touch or sensors fail, make sure connectors are fully seated, battery has charge, and cables aren't pinched. Reseat and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.